Welcome back to the ERP Industry Insights podcast. And today we are talking about one of the biggest challenges plastic injection molding manufacturers are facing: rising costs and mounting pressure to go green. Did you know injection molding machines can consume over half of the factory's total energy bill? Add to that scrap wastage, unplanned downtime, and compliance pressures, and it's no surprise that profit margins get squeezed. But here's the good news: with Odoo ERP, manufacturers can simultaneously reduce costs and shrink their carbon footprint. In this episode, we'll be exploring exactly how. Well, plastic injection molding is energy intensive, material sensitive, and process heavy. Manufacturers often struggle with high energy bills from inefficient machine usage, scrap and rework waste due to quality issues, carbon footprint tracking, which is often manual and error prone, regulatory compliance with ISO, FDA, and the ESG standards. And the biggest issue? These inefficiencies usually stay invisible without real time data. That's where Odoo ERP makes a difference. Let's break it down into three game changing areas where Odoo ERP helps plastic injection molding manufacturers cut costs and go green. The first one would be energy monitoring and efficiency. With Odoo's manufacturing module, you can connect IoT sensors and track machine usage in real time. See which machines consume the most energy, compare cycle times and efficiency per mold, schedule production to minimize the idle energy drain. One client used Odoo's data dashboards to stagger machine usage, reduce peak load penalties on the energy bills. The second one would be waste reduction and process optimization. With Odoo's MRP and the quality modules, you can ensure tighter controls of materials and processes. Batch traceability pinpoints exactly where defects come from. Automated quality checks during production catch issues before scrap piles up. Material requirement planning ensures raw materials are optimized, not wasted, and we have seen plants reduce scrap rates by 15 to 20% within months of ERP adoption. And the third one would be carbon footprint tracking and compliance. Odoo ERP makes sustainability measurable. You can generate reports on energy use per production unit. You can also track emissions and resource usage in real time. Apart from that, you can create automatic compliance reports for the ISO 14001, FDA, or customer audits. Now, this not only helps with regulatory readiness but also improves customers' trust with eco-conscious clients. Let's take an example. A mid-sized plastic injection molding company producing automotive parts was facing rising costs and growing pressure from European clients to prove sustainability. Before Odoo ERP, energy use was tracked manually. There were no real insights. The scrap rates hovered around 12% and the sustainability reporting took weeks. But after the implementation of Odoo ERP, energy dashboards revealed machines running inefficiently during idle hours that helped in fixing and cutting energy bills by 20%. Scrap dropped to 7% thanks to the automated quality checks, and sustainability reports now generate in minutes, supporting ISO certification. Now that's cost saving and carbon reduction driven by Odoo ERP. And this is just the beginning. With Odoo's open source flexibility, injection molding manufacturers can integrate AI forecasting, predictive maintenance, and even carbon emission calculators. Future ready factories will be the ones that combine efficiency, compliance, and sustainability, all powered by ERP. So, to wrap this up, plastic injection molding manufacturers don't need to choose between profitability and sustainability. With Odoo ERP, you can reduce energy bills, cut waste, and track your carbon footprint, turning compliance into a competitive advantage. So, if you're ready to cut costs and go green, start with Odoo ERP. And lastly, thanks for tuning into today's ERP Industry Insights podcast. Don't forget to subscribe for more real-world ERP strategies across manufacturing industries. And till next time, it's adios from my end.